Is your Samsung phone screen looking dim or too dark? This problem often happens because of software glitches, incorrect settings, or battery saving features. It's important to fix it so you can see your screen clearly and use your phone comfortably. Don't worry, here are 4 advanced solutions to help you fix this issue quickly. Let's get started. Solution 1. Turn off Eye Comfort Shield. First, go to the settings, then scroll down a little bit. Tap on the display, scroll down again, find out Eye Comfort Shield. Then simply toggle it off. Solution 2. Change color filter. Go to settings again, then scroll down and find out the accessibility. Tap on it, then tap on vision enhancements. Now scroll down a little bit, then tap on color filter. After that, toggle it off. If you still have the same problem, then follow my next solution. Solution 3. Turn off the color correction. Go back to the vision enhancements page again, then tap on color correction, and now simply toggle it off. Solution 4. Reset all settings. Go back to settings again, then scroll down, tap on general management. Scroll down again, then tap reset. Scroll down once again, now tap reset all settings, then tap reset settings. Again, tap reset. Wait for a while. That should fix your problem. If you have any questions, just drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.